Guys, Fioboc are back with a crazy Black Friday sale. They've sent me a bunch of stuff for winter, but is it worth your precious money? Today, we're going to find out. So in the summer, Fioboc sent me some pieces from their Stay Cool collection for the summer. I reviewed, unboxed, and styled the pieces, and to be fair, they fit seamlessly into my summer wardrobe. Now the weather is cold, let's see if Fioboc can pull off the same trick. In this video, I'm going to unpack these pieces. They've just arrived through the post, so I'm going to give you my instant reaction on each one. I'm going to review their sort of features and benefits, how the fabric feels, and then I'm going to style them. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try and do the same simultaneously. So I'm going to split the screen and style them while I review them. Stick around to the end because I'm going to give you the thumbs up or thumbs down on this collection. Let's not waste any more time and open up these babies. So first up, we've got this classic fit. I think it's a classic fitted hoodie. I said it in the summer, guys. I think the way the touch and feel of their clothes are really nice, but they could work on their packaging. Considering how nice the clothes feel, the packaging does feel a little bit cheap. So that's the first bit of feedback. It's a black hoodie. It does feel nice. It shimmers under my mood light here, so that's always a good sign of good quality. And it feels light as well. It doesn't feel like a typical kind of heavy hoodie. It's a flat face hoodie. Okay, it looks slightly long line. And it's got this sort of fitted cut to it. I can immediately tell it's got a fitted cut. That's nice. So it's got like a metallic printed label, which is a nice touch. It does feel like quite taut, quite tight. Almost like neoprene, which is a very high-tech fabric. This hoodie is definitely not for function. This is definitely about style. So we have to style this in quite an elegant, sort of cool way rather than a sporting way. Okay, so next up we have slim fit claret. Same color as the one I'm wearing. This is actually Fioboc. This is from the Stay Cool summer collection. Okay, so it's a long sleeve sweatshirt with the crew neck, a very thick crew neck finish. I quite like how thick the crew neck is. I quite like that. It's a nice touch. It looks really well made. I love the color. Of course, I'm a big fan of burgundy for winter. I think it's one of the best winter colors. But the party piece of this is they've brought back the elbow patches. That's a really cool feature. And actually, looking at it, it's genuinely stitched on the perimeter of the patch. And also this feels very velvety. So it's like a velvety finish, which is nice as well. In terms of its styling, this is something that you wear to somewhere nice rather than for casual sporting occasions. Khaki cargos. Okay. Khaki, great color. Very versatile. It's a neutral, which I always talk a lot in my videos about. A good foundation of neutral tones. They're not too heavy. They're quite lightweight. That could be a good or bad thing, we'll see. So the waistline, I wear a size 32, but it is stretchy. So if you're got a slightly bigger waist than normal, if you got like an ambiguous waist size, that's quite good. 2 pockets at the back, 2 conventional pockets in the front, and obviously cargo pockets on the thigh as well. If I'm going to wear cargo pants, I do prefer them on the thigh to make your thighs look broader. I don't like them by the knees or anywhere lower. I prefer them higher up. So that's quite nice. And are they functioning pockets? They are actually functioning pockets as well, which is a good positive. You can kind of style them up or style them down depending on how you want to use them. I'm probably going to style them up. A classic fit khaki corduroy jacket. I love corduroy. Again, I did a video recently on winter pants. Go check it out. And I spoke about corduroy being a fantastic and stylish fabric for anything really in the winter. So this is a casual bomber jacket. Yeah, is it a bomber? Yeah, it's a bomber. It's a bomber jacket. Classic style of jacket, or is it a Harrington? It's kind of like a Harrington more than a bomber, or it's a bit of both. I think it's more of a bomber than Harrington because of the collar. This one is cuffed at the hem, and the sleeves are cuffed as well. It's got 1 side pocket, 2 side pockets on either side. It's got a pocket inside. Let's check that out. So it does have an inside pocket as well on 1 side, which is quite handy. It's not the thickest, so you'll have to layer this up in the winter. It's not going to keep you particularly warm. It'll keep you looking good, but it's not going to particularly keep you warm. But corduroy is good because, again, it's really versatile. You can wear corduroy for work, for business casual. It's a great fabric to have in your winter wardrobe because it's fit for all purposes and keeps you warm. Although if you're going to get a corduroy jacket, I'd have one with a bit more padding than this. This is not going to do anything to keep you warm, but you will look good. You'll be freezing, but you will look good. Classic fitted heather gray sweatpants. Again, really clean, lightweight feel to them. That's the thing. I think it's one of their brand hallmarks. Fioboc is lightweight. I love the way these pockets are finished. Look how clean that pocket is. The stitching in this collection in general is really sharp, really accurate and well made. They are sweatpants, but they've still got the cuffed bottom. It hasn't got those nasty gathers, so it's still relatively straight, but it is cuffed. I prefer my joggers or sweatpants with no cuff, but they do have a cuff. Clean pocket. Oh, it's zip pocket as well. So the pocket does have a nice zip detail, which is good for like keeping valuables in, like your keys or something. If you're short, you want to wear bottoms with seamless pockets like this, which are facing vertically. Again, it gives the illusion of longer legs. So these are actually pockets that help the shorter guys out there. So guys, let me know in the comments which one of these looks is your favorite. Obviously, it's that time of year, it's late November, it's time for sales and great offers. You can get access to my special 20% discount on all your purchases. In the link below is the code, it's GND20. Use it and get a massive 20% off all pieces on the Fioboc website. The link is below. Where Fioboc fits in is in the essentials. This is a very good brand, particularly if you're relatively new to dressing well, looking at style. It's accessible pricing, but really solid quality and great, simple to understand style. It's not trying to be something it's not. It's not trying to be Fear of God. It's not trying to be Roberto Cavalli or Giorgio Armani. It's simple, essential basics in a really solid color palette with items that are easy to dress, easy to understand, and easy to style. If you are looking for further tips on how to elevate your style for winter, check out my recent video on winter pants. Again, I go through different fabrics, some of which are featured in this video. Have a look at that. If you've got any questions, you want further details on the items that I've reviewed today, just leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer as always. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much once again, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.